Ryan B. Flores, perfect attendance hourly and conduct hourly. Laika P. Pukalan, conduct hourly. Lovely E. Jacobo, Miloche B. Happy, with honors, perfect attendance hourly and conduct hourly. Angeline D. Molina, conduct hourly. Christine Palasanga, with honors. Rian is Pacatono, with honors and perfect attendance hourly. Jaime A. Cordillano, with honors.